All right, so I just got this lamp in the mail. I received this in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. I'm really excited to try this out. This is what you got out of the box. You got these 2 pieces of hardware. You're gonna put those on the wall. And then here are the shades. 1 shade for each piece of hardware. Of course, you got your screws there, a couple of remotes. That way you can change the color of the lamp. 2 more pieces of hardware there. We'll see how that goes. Instructions, and of course, the lights. The lights are battery operated. So you simply unscrew this here. Then you have 3 AA batteries that you need to put inside. Does not come with batteries, so you have to supply your own. But the light just pushes on, pushes off. Very satisfying clicking noise. Pretty simple. So I'm going to try to put this on my wall in the bedroom, and we'll see how it looks. The installation process was just a little bit different from things that I've installed in the past, but that could just be because I've never installed anything quite like this before. First, you just put these brackets on the walls. That'll be aligned with the top edge of the wall sconce. Next, you're going to install this shade on the metal bracket. It just attaches to the metal bracket with these small clips. And you're going to do that all the way around, both on the top and the bottom. And then the very end velcros together, so that it looks like this. Then you just slide it down onto the metal bracket. And finally, you just slide the LED light inside and it'll attach with that magnet. That there is how it looks. And of course, you can change the color using the remote. Or turn it off and on. So I'm going to hang the other one over there, and then I'll have 2. All right, so there we go. I think it adds a nice touch to our bedroom. Just a slightly more interesting lighting situation. They're not too bright, but plenty bright enough to read a book, get ready for bed, or get up in the morning. I think they're perfect. There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.